NFTs really have been one of the wildest trends sweeping the internet since back in 2021, even earlier. But for our average viewer, it's likely that you have still yet to dip your toes into the NFT craze. But why is that? What's stopping you? Does the complexity of buying an NFT, perhaps the wallets, the security concerns, does all of that scare you away? Or maybe it's the high gas fee issue? Well, what if I were to tell you that you can purchase an NFT today with zero gas fees and you can store it without the use of a crypto wallet? In fact, this NFT is removed from cryptocurrency entirely. That is exactly what we're covering in today's video. We're also going to deep dive into how you can avail yourself of a 20% discount on these NFTs. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. And we have been mentioning it in our recent videos. If you're new to the NFT or the crypto space and you don't yet have a Binance account, here's a great opportunity. Sign up with our exclusive Altcoin Buzz link. We have this joint promotion going on with Binance. And if you do so, the link, by the way, is in the description below. You can get your hands on $800 worth of bonuses. Check it out. It's a great time to open a new account on Binance. All right, but with that being said, let's now get into these non-fungible tokens and specifically how you can get your hands on these NFTs with zero gas fees. Okay, so WIT Studios, one of the biggest anime studios in Japan, they just released a new anime show in May of 2022, which was streamed on Netflix. You can still find it there depending on your region. It's called Vampire in the Garden. You may have heard of it. It's getting a lot of great acclaim right now and has a 7 on 10 IMDb rating and has been very popular. And right now, Ucollex is launching a card collection of Vampire in the Garden. It's a special drop and once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And what makes Ucollex and this collection unique is that you don't need a wallet. No keys to remember, no gas fees. All you need is a credit card for purchasing purposes. And you can buy your NFTs directly with your credit card. Right now, it's only available on mobile, but a desktop version will follow. And in addition, with a Quest, you can also get physical cards. Now, we'll discuss how you can get these NFTs at a 20% discount in just a moment, but let me first tell you that Ucollex is a marketplace and a platform for collectors. We're on the website here, ucollex.io, where you can buy, sell, and even show off both digital and physical collectibles. Now, with Vampire in the Garden, there's a twist because they release both physical and digital cards. Those cards are officially licensed by WIT Studio. So here we have a unique set of 12,000 packs or 36,000 digital cards. The cards also have some extra features as well. These unlock when they reach specific community goals, and the collection is gamified. But with so many cards out there, how exactly do you decide which is the right one to buy? Let's address that now. So first and foremost, to take part in this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, you need to buy a pack. And each pack will come with 3 different cards, and our team at Altcoin Buzz has negotiated a special 20% discount for you from that retail price. And I will be sure to share that discount code with you shortly. So when you buy a pack, you're going to receive 3 random cards. Here's your chance to get a common, uncommon, or even rare card in terms of tiers in your pack. Okay, so common cards to begin with represent 75% of the supply, and your common card is going to give you 2 points. Uncommon cards represent 17.5% of the supply, and those give you 10 points. Next up, we have rare cards at 7.5%. And with the rare cards, you receive even more, 25 points, in fact. Then we have the 4th card tier, which is Epic. That's not available for purchase in the pack. The only way you can get it is by completing a quest. But how and why would you complete a quest? Well, because when you complete a quest, you can get an Epic digital card or a physical card. Cards are really, really epic. And right now, guys, as promised, I'm going to share that secret code that guarantees you 20% off of the $14.99 US retail price of a character pack. You just need to enter VGAB20 in the code section when buying the cards from the landing page, which we will share with you at the end of this video. Once again, VGAB20. Okay, but how exactly do you complete a quest? Well, by collecting points, which you get from buying character packs. So the digital Epic cards have 4 characters, and each card is 100 points. So you need to collect 100 points to redeem 1 digital Epic card. There are only 1,000 of these cards available. Momo, Fine, Nobara, and Allegro. The physical cards have 5 characters, and points range from 30 to 50 points, and you can redeem Momo or Fine cards for 50 points, Nobara or Allegro cards for 40 points, and a Connie card for 30 points. And you will receive physical cards directly in your home. They're going to come with express shipping, and each has a protective card holder with a surprise inside. So you can proudly showcase it to your family and your friends. And in total, there are only 1,250 physical cards available. Now, you can sell your cards if you wish on secondary markets. By purchasing a character card pack, you're going to automatically collect the points. Also, you can collect points from secondary sales, meaning if a person opens, let's say, a rare card and gets 25 points, he or she can resell it, and the buyer will also get 25 points. There are no restrictions on how many times a card can be sold or restrictions on the number of points gained. For reselling cards, you will need to open a pack and transfer the single cards. And a quick reminder for those viewers that may be new to the channel, we have a great promotion ongoing right now with our friends over at Binance, where you can sign up for a new account. And once you fund it, you're going to get $100 in a sign-up bonus, 20% trading fee discounts for life, $200 worth of Altcoin Buzz's Access Pro membership, and $500 more in unlockables. Check out the links for global and US signups to qualify for these bonuses. You can find those links in the description of this video. Okay, so far we've taken a look at some of these cards. We've also examined how the collecting and the quest system works. But here now is specifically what you can do on the Ucollex event landing page. Now, you already know that you can buy the packs and that you can enter the quest. You can also check how many points you have for redemption. And here you can see how many packs have already been sold. And interestingly, there are extra features that you can unlock when you, together with the community, buy a certain number of packs. Okay, so these community goals have all kinds of extra features and rewards, and the community will need to work together to unlock the extra features. For example, each time the community reaches a certain landmark in how many packs are sold, well, that's when new and exciting features will unlock. For example, when 1,000 packs are sold, 10 lucky character card owners are going to receive 1 physical card selected at random. And these are cards normally worth 40 or 50 points. When 3,000 packs are achieved or sold, that's going to unlock the card album, where everyone can see the whole collection of what's available, and this also includes epic and physical cards. At 6,000 packs, this will activate a GIF animation on all digital cards. However, the card loses the animation when you transfer it out of the Ucollex platform. At 10,000 packs, 5 lucky card holders will win a VIP ticket to LA Comic-Con. That's happening in December of 2022. These are worth at least $500 each. It's a big event, and you can go yourself or sell them on the secondary markets if you so choose. And then finally, when 12,000 packs are sold, Ucollex will airdrop 1 digital original sketch from WIT Studio to all character card owners. They receive a copy signed by the animators. Now, this is a truly unique NFT. This is only valid for original owners, not if you bought a pack on a secondary market. And you can track all of these community goals very easily on the landing page of the app. All right, let's recap the deal being offered here. You have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get officially licensed physical and digital cards from one of the biggest anime studios in Japan, the WIT Studio. These cards are the only official cards for the very popular Vampire in the Garden series featured on Netflix. If you're a collector as well as an anime fan, this could be a spectacular addition to your collection. And if you choose to resell it, you can easily do so on all secondary marketplaces. The retail price is very low, with only $14.99 US per pack of 3 digital cards. And if the drops sell out, then you're going to receive awesome additional perks such as GIF effects for your card and a limited edition copy of an original sketch signed by WIT Studio animators. And you have a chance to win LA Comic-Con tickets worth $500 and the entire set of 5 physical cards. There is already a high demand from some institutional buyers, even before the launch. So now the only thing you have to do is visit the landing page in the description and buy a pack. Remember, Enter VGAB20 as a code with your purchase. By doing so, you'll receive a 20% discount that we at Altcoin Buzz have negotiated on your behalf. Best of luck, guys, if you choose to invest and if you choose to collect some of these NFTs, although never official financial or investment advice. If you're still watching, be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of videos here popping up to my left, to my right. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. As always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.